This journey begins deep within the earth, where raw gold has formed over millions of years under extreme heat and pressure.
Only high-grade gold ore is selected sprayed, ensuring purity, brilliance, and long-lasting value.
After careful inspection, the raw gold is prepared for secure transport to specialized refining facilities.
Strict security and controlled logistics protect this precious material on its journey to transformation.
Welcome to our gold jewelry factory. Today, I'll show you how raw gold is transformed into luxury masterpieces step by step.
Before craftsmanship begins, raw gold is refined to remove impurities and achieve exceptional purity.
At extreme temperatures, gold becomes fluid and émaillé, allowing precise purification and control.
Advanced refining techniques ensure gold reaches exact purity levels required for luxury jewelry.
Pure gold is carefully blended with other metals to achieve strength, durability, and desired color. This process determines whether the final gold becomes yellow, white, or rose.
Every jewelry piece begins as a precise digital design.
These wax models serve as the blueprint for casting.
As the gold cools, it solidifies into its final form. Each piece is carefully released and prepared for refinement.
Polishing removes imperfections and enhances brilliance.
Skilled hands bring warmth and perfection to every piece.
Only carefully selected stones meet luxury standards.
Each stone is placed with microscopic precision.
Every piece undergoes strict quality inspection.
Purity, weight, and craftsmanship are officially certified.
Presentation completes the luxury experience. And that's how raw gold becomes a luxury masterpiece, crafted with precision, passion, and perfection.
Like the video and subscribe to Inside Process for more factory tours. From source to finish.